A basic hydraulic system is a mechanism that uses fluid, typically oil or water, to transmit power or force from one point to another. It operates based on the principle of Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied to a fluid in an enclosed system, the pressure is transmitted equally in all directions. Here are the key components of a basic hydraulic system. Fluid reservoir. The fluid reservoir stores the hydraulic fluid, which is usually oil. It provides a ready supply of fluid for the system and helps dissipate heat. Hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump is responsible for generating the flow of hydraulic fluid. It converts mechanical energy, typically from an electric motor or an engine, into hydraulic energy. The pump creates pressure in the fluid, which is necessary for the system to function. Hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid is a specially formulated oil or water-based fluid that transfers power in the hydraulic system. It is chosen for its excellent lubricating properties, resistance to heat, and ability to maintain its viscosity under varying conditions. Hydraulic cylinder. A hydraulic cylinder consists of a cylindrical barrel, a piston, and a rod. When pressurized fluid enters the cylinder, it pushes the piston, which, in turn, moves the rod. This linear motion is used to generate force or perform work, such as lifting or pushing heavy objects. Control valves. Control valves are devices that control the flow and direction of hydraulic fluid in the system. They can be manual or solenoid-operated valves. By adjusting the valve position, the operator can control the speed and direction of the hydraulic actuator. Hydraulic actuator. A hydraulic actuator is a device that converts hydraulic energy into mechanical force or motion. It can be a hydraulic cylinder or a hydraulic motor. The actuator receives the pressurized hydraulic fluid and converts it into useful work, such as linear or rotary motion. Hydraulic lines. Hydraulic lines are the pipes or tubes that carry the hydraulic fluid from one component to another within the system. These lines need to be properly sized, sealed, and routed to ensure efficient fluid flow and prevent leaks. In operation, the hydraulic pump draws fluid from the reservoir and pressurizes it. The pressurized fluid is then directed through the hydraulic lines to the desired actuator or control valve. When the fluid reaches the actuator, it generates force or motion, performing the intended task. The control valves regulate the flow and direction of the fluid, allowing the operator to control the actuator's speed and movement. Overall, a basic hydraulic system utilizes fluid power to transmit force and motion, making it a reliable and efficient means of powering various machinery and equipment.